Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Tor browser on a Mac computer. So first, go ahead and open up Safari. Then go ahead and type in Tor browser. From there, you're going to want to click on this link, the www.torproject.org download. Go ahead and click on it. Once the web page opens up, go ahead and click on Download for OS X. When this message pops up, go ahead and click on Allow to allow the download. And then go ahead and click on this icon to show your downloads. And it should show you that your torbrowser.dmg file is downloading. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. Okay, so once your torbrowser.dmg file is finished downloading, go ahead and double click on it, and then it should verify and open up that file. Next, go ahead and drag and drop the Tor browser icon into the Applications folder, and then it should copy the Tor browser to that folder. And then from there, go ahead and close some of these windows. So we'll close this one, close out Safari since we don't need it. You don't need this installer anymore either, so you can go ahead and right click and select Eject Tor Browser. Then go ahead and open a Finder window. Go to Applications. Go look for the Tor browser icon, double click on it. When this message pops up, go ahead and click on Open. Once this message pops up, go ahead and click on Connect, and it should connect to the Tor network. Okay, and then go to the Tor browser icon in the dock, right click, go to Options, and select Keep in Dock, just so it's easier to access. Other than that, you're pretty much all set. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.